Okay, AI-generated flying dragon videos like these are blowing up on Instagram right now. This TikTok page has grown to 116,000 followers and is pulling hundreds of thousands to millions of views per post. We're talking 5.7 million, 2.3 million, and even 11.9 million views as well. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make them yourself. Here's what I made in less than 5 minutes. To get started, head over to ChatGPT and click Explore GPTs in the left sidebar. Search for Flying Dragon. Make sure your spelling is correct and choose the first one. Hit Start Chat, then click to start the generator. It's going to give you 10 scene options to choose from. You can pick a number, describe your own idea, or type more if you want fresh scenes. I'm going to go with number 7. The GPT will now give you 2 image prompts and 2 video prompts, perfect for these kinds of videos. So just copy the first image prompt. Okay, to generate the image, we'll use Google Flow. Even with a free account, you can generate around 50 to 60 images, which is more than enough. First, click New Project. If you're using the free version, select Nano Banana 2, not Pro. You'll see a message that says generating will use 0 credits. This means you can generate images completely for free. Now select Portrait mode. Then choose how many images you want per prompt. Normally, I recommend 2 images. Go back to ChatGPT, copy image prompt number 1, paste it into Google Flow and run it. Once the images are generated, select the ones you like and download them. Free accounts can download in 1080p, which is more than enough. After your image is ready, we move to video creation using Google Flow. Go to Google Flow, then click Create Now. Now click on Nano Banana, select the video icon and choose how much video you want. I suggest selecting one. Upload your image and set the aspect ratio to portrait. Copy the corresponding video prompt from ChatGPT, paste it in, and click Generate. Wait a bit, and your video will be ready. Then click the download icon and download it in high resolution. The final video will be saved to your device and will be ready to upload to platforms like YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok. Oh, thanks a lot for watching. If you follow this method, you can create viral AI-generated videos for free. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for updates.